I don't know.
Well, I guess you have to just think about it, I guess.
Yeah.
Sure.
I said, yeah.
If you want me to come sleep there tonight, I will be there in a second, just so you know.
Yeah, that's probably not happening, but good to know.
I would love to hold you tonight, baby. I just, please, man, just please. I swear to God, man. I swear it'll be so different. I don't care about nobody, but I'm telling you, man. I fuck everyone. I fucking realize this shit. I fuck everyone. I want you. I don't give a fuck about anybody.
Yeah, but you can't go through life having no friends either. How's that going to be a good relationship?
I'm not saying I won't have no fucking friends, but I don't give a fuck about anybody. You're first, but I don't. You should. It's not that you weren't, but I'm stupid. I'm sorry, man. I fucking trust me, man. You're fucking on the top. I'm so sick of everybody, man. I love you.
You say that, but then you were telling me you hated me the other day, and you do hate me, or else you wouldn't treat me stupid half the time. Like, I'll just be fine and be like, oh, we should be friends. And then you're like, yeah. And then you're just always doing some douchebag shit behind my back or lying to me. And it's like, why the fuck are you lying to me? Like, we're not even together, but you're lying, and then we're not even friends then. It's weird.
Yo, I will ever lie to you again, man. Fuck, man. I'm so fucking dumb, and I fucking love you. And I'm an idiot, and I apologize. I'm a fucking loser, and I'm so sorry. Fuck, man. I'm so sorry.
Well, I don't know. I gotta think about it. So I don't know. I guess I'll let you go because I gotta watch TV on my phone. All right.